I'm going to work on a landing page. I've been wanting to create a landing page so that I could advertise my business once I get my website up. And I was having a hard time trying to understand it and grasp it. So today I'm going to try to get my landing page started and optimize it. Plus, I'm going to do some editing on my images that I'm going to put on the website. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to get these images straightened out here. I want to put the titles on them, and I want to get their dimensions so that I can have them classified. Okay, this image is 3996 768 megapixel image. Okay. And I thought that doing it this way and having everything already in would save me some time because time is running out for me as far as the website. I've got another 7, 8 days on the program so I'm gonna try to do as much as I can as far as straightening out my images, making sure that they're the correct file sizes so that it won't slow down my website, and then placing them all in if I want to sell them for a digital download or for a print. So I've got a lot of work to do. So this 997721 megapixel image. Okay. Now all of these, I'm gonna reduce all of these. I'm gonna take all of these files and I'm gonna send them into Lightroom, and I'm going to make them all uniform or as close. What I want to have is my size, my file size. Like this is a 10.9 megabyte file. I want that to be under 600 kilobytes. So 2449 by 1632. And so that's 3996 768 megapixel image. Size matters. and this right here definitely matters. So anyway, I'm chugging along here. 996 768 megapixels. Now, at some point, I'll figure out a way to automate this so that I don't have to do this line by line, image by image. But right now, matter of fact, if anybody could give me a clue on how I can automate this so I can do it in batch, I would appreciate that. But right now, I'm just stumbling around trying to get this website up and going. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 images that are ready to go. And these files are a little bit larger. Like this file right here is 24 megapixels. This is a 24 megapixel image, and it would be perfect for a 16 by 20 or even a 20 by 30 print. And most of these images are going to be poster size images and images that I'll sell. And what I'll do is I'll create a zip file for each one of those images so that I can have them ready to go. So anyway, so now what I need to do, since I've gotten all these straightened out pretty much, so I need to call in and get set up with my Bluehost account.
I can see ya. Okay. And alrighty, what you working on this morning, Herb?
Okay, so I'm really looking at these 3 or 4 tools: the SEO tools, the optimization assistance, the landing page, and the mobile optimization. Those things, I know I'm not going to be able to take a big chunk out of it, but just a little bit at a time. And what I would like to start first with is I go right into this, which is my one of my portfolios on stock sites that I'm selling. So far, I've been able to put in 6 images, right? And I haven't put all the content in yet, but I have been able to link each image to its corresponding backlink to, I guess it's a backlink, to the website where my portfolio is. And it takes you to to Shutterstock, right? Now, in my mind, it qualifies as a backlink, but I have absolutely no idea, because when I was talking to the last representative and they were explaining to me how backlinks work, how these backlinks work, that it would take you from your page or take you to areas inside your page. So, and I was just thinking, well, hey, if I images, but the images that I've already that have been selling, like that's one of my best ones. That's another one of my best ones. This one is sold pretty good. So I mean, I just want to put, and I've already got it started, so I got that pretty much. But the thing about it is this: I'm gonna fill this particular gallery out, but I would like to have a gallery page that has those images that I have not. I want like 2 sections. I want images that are public now, that are on my different portfolios, public portfolios. But I don't want actually to sell those images. Those images that are already up for sale somewhere else, I don't want to sell those. I just want them in a portfolio page. But then I want a portfolio of images that I have never submitted to any stock agency. And those are the images that I want to sell. Either in a downloadable product or as a print. So I guess my first thing is I need a landing page, a dedicated landing page, and how to set it up, how it should be set up. Because as I'm understanding it right, the landing page comes from like a Google search. Someone would click on one of my keywords or something like that, and then it would come up in Google search. And then they would click on it, but they wouldn't click necessarily at my home page, but they would click on the landing page. I don't know how it works. So if you can explain how that works, I would be appreciative of that, and then help me try to set it up. So
Okay. So there's a couple of different things that you're going to have going on here specific to the landing page. Okay. And I'll ask the questions that I have for you about the other pages here in just a moment, just for clarification. But specifically in digital marketing, literally, a landing page is basically a standalone web page, and it's literally created specifically for marketing, advertising, and it literally is where one of your visitors is going to land. They're going to click a link, like in an email or maybe even a Google, ad or Facebook, and some sort of social media platform. But unlike your web pages, like what we've got going on right here,
right,
which is typically you have a lot of goals and where you're encouraging people to explore, the website, like your gallery. You want people to go to your blog. Your landing page, in particular, is the focus of a landing page is really for increasing the conversion rates of marketing campaigns. That's literally the underlining definition of a landing page. Your landing page is different, way different than your home page and things like that. So it's going to be a different setup in most cases. Sometimes your landing page may even, this is how affiliate marketers do it, right?
right,
And there's a lot of variations out there. I'll try not to talk you into a coma, but there's a lot of different variations of landing pages, but dependent upon what you like, and of course your specific business, landing page is going to do one of two things. It's going to it's basically for lead generation. That lead generation is where you're going to capture their email addresses, their names, things like that, because this is where you collect that lead data, so that when you do marketing campaigns, and I had went to your landing page, I'm in your database. Like for instance, if you have MailChimp or Constant Contact,
right,
now since I'm in there, whenever you decide that, hey, you know what, I'm about to run a marketing campaign because this photo that I took right here and about 10 other ones are really hot, or maybe these photos are really, really excellent, but not a lot of people know about them.
right.
You can market to me. Okay. The other type of page, because I said there's a lot of different variations. Excuse me with my pointer. The other variation is literally for click-through landing pages. Now, click-through is basically used by and for e-commerce, but these are normally for like software as a service marketers. They're basically click-through pages go literally straight for sales or subscriptions. That's literally what the difference is between a true landing page, which is going to capture someone's information in particular, and those are when you will hear them as lead generation landing pages or just a landing page. But whenever someone says, hey, you know what, I have a website, but I need a landing page. Landing page is specifically to collect information on some sort of form.
So yeah, let's create that. Let's create that. Yeah, let's create that.
Okay. All right. Let's go into your dashboard and let me jot down just a couple notes, just really quick.
Can I get a page template for that? Something to.
You actually could get a template. Now I've used, you know what? Let me look at this before I say it, because I know I'm right here.
Okay.
Because I see you have elements. You have Elementor.
Yes, I do.
Sure. Let's go and look at something really quick, okay?
All right.
your left-hand side. Um, the first thing we'll do, let's go into your pages. Did you purchase Elementor Pro by any chance?
No, I haven't. No, so no, I'm not paying for nothing that I can. If I can get away with not paying for something, I'm definitely not paying for anything right now.
Okay, definitely understood. Good point. Let's go into your Elementor to the left, and we're going to say Add New. That'd be right over here, just a little further up. Let me get a different pointer. Okay, this Add New option on the left underneath pages.
All right.
Yep. We're going to try the option of course, new. Let's just put the word test here. You come back out and change this accordingly. We're going to hit your publish button real quick. Yep, we're going to hit it. Yep. And then once that's done, now we can go ahead and go into Elementor.
All right.
All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to hit this folder.
All right.
Your template folder. Okay. What we're going to do is, can you put literally the word right here, landing?
Okay, landing.
Some of these, yep, perfect. Some of these are going to say pro. The ones that are pro, you have to pay for. The ones that are not are going to be free, right?
Okay.
Now the ones that here's a landing page, but that one's not free. See pro. Let me change my pointer. If you come down just a little bit, here's a free landing page right here. Now, what I want you to look at is not the background, nothing like that, because this is all going to be your content.
Right.
You're literally only looking at the structure.
Right.
Because you want it to be simple, but you know how it's laid out just kind of has to, you know what I mean. It just kind of has to feel right. Site, but we can always, because it's Elementor, we can always change things around. So we have one free one here called Vacation.
Right.
Let's see if we can find any other free ones here. Let's see here. Here's one right here. There's a free one.
That's one. No, it's pro.
Yep, here's one.
That's one. It says wedding. Oh, that might be all right. Yeah. Because it'll be structured for photographs, right?
Okay. Yeah. And yeah, absolutely.
Can I preview it?
Let's keep looking.
Oh,
yeah.
keep looking.
Literally, if you hover over it, yep. If you hover over and click that plus.
All right.
This is what the actual template of it looks like. Now, it's not. I don't know that it's going to let us look at the whole. Yeah. Okay. Good. If you keep scrolling down, yeah. And again, this is why it's just anecdotal text and all of that. But if you can imagine having your information in there, you know, of course, you know, we don't need any of this. We, you know, replace, you know, all of this stuff with images.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like that. It's got enough. Yeah. I like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stuff. This is the one that's called Wedding.
Wedding.
Ready. Yep.
Oh, I messed up. Hold on. So you say it might be some more? It might be another one in here that's
which is you like wedding. Yeah. Just so you know all of your options, because some, you know, since they don't have them in any particular order from free to pro, where you got to, you know, if you happen to see one that is specific for like photography or images.
right, exactly.
And it happens to work. Oh, there's one, can you go up just a little bit? Where did I just see? I saw, portfolio about page. I saw, okay, no worries. We can keep going.
Well, that's a free one right there. That's free right there, right?
Yeah, but this is your business homepage.
Oh, no,
Not
okay.
necessarily
A landing page.
Yeah, true landing page.
Yeah.
Okay, we saw a vacation. Okay, it might. Okay, um, we can, if you want. Um, yeah.
Oh, that's a video. It's a video file. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Mhm. And if you have a video file, or even if you don't, you see, they've got carousels in here, right? We
Right.
can add this exact same thing to, for instance, the one that's wedding. We can add the same thing right to it and just replace, wherever, sections that are needed, and boom, you've got yourself a carousel. The prerequisite for having an actual carousel is just having enough images. You've got to have at least 5 to 10 plus,
Right.
because because the default setting is 3 columns in one row, and it won't even, you'll end up seeing the same one immediately once it changes the first time in slides. So that's what I'm saying. At least, I would say at least 6. That way, they see something different.
I like this too. That looks pretty neat right there too. So both of them, don't look too bad.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. If you go ahead and put in here landing page, we'll get to the wedding one, or we can put in wedding, and we can create as many landing pages as you need, or as you want to see.
Right.
Because you can use different ones for different landing pages. There's the vacation one. Yep, keep right on coming down. Just gonna look up. Oh, there it is.
Is that
This is the one that you just said, hey,
okay?
this is the one I like. There you go.
Okay.
So
So what I have to do now? Click this.
yeah, when you click that, you click insert, and then it brought you here.
Right. Right.
Okay. Yeah. You don't have to do that.
Okay.
But go ahead and connect. Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Now, will this particular page template become a part of my library or what?
Yeah, it's actually being loaded into your dashboard. So when you go in to the pages section,
Right.
you're actually going to see. Remember, we named this test.
Right. Exactly.
So when you go into pages, you see test. It is going to be this template that is going to be loaded in there for you, where you can work with that and replace it.
We're over a pretty good a bit.
Yeah, we're at the 37-minute mark.
So let me
drop off.
Yeah, so I can do that. I can start putting in some content and replacing the content of this. So I have because that's all this content is doing is holding a place. So I can go on and do that now and then call back. And hopefully you'll have enough notes in there so whoever gets it will know, pretty much where I'm going with it.
When you call back, I actually have put in there that we created a test page, and we inserted a wedding template, and you want to start setting that up in particular. Now,
exactly.
Let me make a slight modification before you go. Let me go back just really quick. Let me delete my other note. And then I just need to add the word so they understand landing page, because when I reviewed it, that's going to be huge.
Okay. Is that the 6 dots up here for that to edit that section? That background right there?
You have to edit the section. Yep. And then it's your style. Yep. Go ahead and click that.
Yeah.
And then come over here and click style.
Ah, okay. I got it.
It kind of helps that bleeding a little bit.
Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. No doubt about it. 5 all the way.
Okay, man. Hey, I appreciate your time, Herb, and hopefully I'll have an opportunity to talk to you again today.
All right.
Alrighty, and here comes that survey for you.
Okay.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Thank you for contacting support. Please rate your support representative in the following areas from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, by pressing the numbers on the keypad. My representative was knowledgeable. My representative was courteous and willing to help. Did we resolve your issue today? Please press the number corresponding to your answer. 1, yes. Resolve.